Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Ads Exchange Cryptos account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Ads Exchange Crypto account, firstly go ahead and open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in adsexchange.io and make a search. The official page of Ad Exchange will appear on the screen. Tap on Login button at the top right corner of the screen. It will take you to the login page of Ad Exchange Crypto's account. To log into your Ads Exchange Crypto account, enter your email address and password associated with your account. Tick mark on the box that says I am not a robot and tap on Sign In option. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your password, tap on Forgot Password option. This is how you can log into your Ad Exchange Cryptos account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.